Hey guys, this is Diana and I am here to sew up the urban legs. And I love the urban legs. It's such an easy pattern for leggings, just whenever, for any kind. So I'm making plain black ones because who doesn't need a million of these black ones. So I am going to put my fabric, I have my two legs right here already cut out, and I'm putting my fabric right side up. And I'm gonna meet the other one right on top of it, right sides together, and I'm gonna match up the raw edges at the seams right here on the sides, the bum and the crotch area, and I am going to pin, and we are going to sew those raw edges together. This is gonna be so quick. You're gonna be like, whoa, that's easy. Yeah, it's super easy, and I love it because I can get all different kinds of cool fabric. This is a double brush poly, so double brush poly is great for this because it's like so soft and cozy. You make your own leggings, the urban legs. So I'm sewing the edges, the raw edges together. And here's my scissors. So my front, and now I'm going to do the same for the back. Sewing those edges together. I love to see some funky colors on these, but I know that these ones are just black, but you know. So now I open them out sideways. Here they are. And I am going to meet them at the seam right here in the bottom. Make sure I meet that seam together. And then I'm going to go down each leg. I'm telling you, the hardest part of this pattern is cutting out the fabric. That's it. Once your fabric is cut out, basically your pants, your urban legs are already put together. Well, not literally, but basically, because it's so easy. So I'm going down down the leg and attaching them, putting them sides together. Pinning them together so I can sew them up. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So that way they are, I'll just start at one end and go all the way to the other end. And that's how easy these are. And then we'll attach the band. There's a couple options on the band, and I'm just doing the regular, but there's curved, and there is a higher band. So you would just choose your size that you would like. Make sure I meet it. Oh, see, this is where, therein lies the problem. I didn't meet them together correctly. You gotta make sure you meet them together correctly so that they match up all the way. All right. Almost there. All the way to the bottom. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and serge them together, starting at one end and going down to the other end. Okay. Here we go. Sure you're catching both sides. You don't want to bend over and have a gap between your legs on your urban legs. You gotta make sure you're catching both fabrics, the top and the bottom. Almost down to the end. You know what these are also great for? Making them and giving them to friends as presents, because they are so quick and easy. And it would be such a great present with some cozy double brush poly or some cool designs. Okay, so now they're basically done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them right side out. Here we go. Now I'm gonna do my band. Here I have my band. And I am putting right sides together. And at the raw edge, at the small edge, I'm gonna sew them together. Okay. Then I'm going to fold them. I'm going to turn them right side out. And I'm going to fold wrong sides together. Kind of like a hot dog style. Just right there. All the way around. Make sure you meet those seams, those edges, those raw edges together. And I'm going to quarter this band. And how I'm going to do that is, so I have my pin right here, and I'm going to fold it in half, and from the center where the seam is all the way out, I'm going to mark that spot, and that's going to be my half. And pin. Then I'm going to go ahead and meet those two together and go out to the sides and mark, and those are going to be my quarters. Now on my legging itself, I already have pretty much the marks, the halves. So if I meet those two seams together and I go out to one side, this is going to be my 1/4. And then if I do the same going out to the other side, sorry, I'm just trimming this. And my scissors are very dull. I do the same and I go out to the other side, and that's my other 1/4 point right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure, see what's the front and what's the back. You can tell by the higher rise is the back, obviously. And I'm going to put that back seam right on there and pin it, and then I'm going to match up all my 1/4 points to the marks I already made. So right here, and then my next point will be right here where it's marked. Then I go to the front where my front seam is and pin right there, and then I go to my other 1/4 point right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and sew those together, making sure that all 3 fabric pieces are together, catching when you serge. And you just gently pull the band to match the raw edge of the legs, urban legs. Okay, next 1/4 point, we gently tug a little bit to stretch the band just a little bit, and go. Alright, next one, same thing, stretch gently, and go. Okay, and last 1/4 point, and we are literally basically done. Oh, I missed a spot right here. Every time, if I'm not careful, I will not grab both fabrics and miss a spot. So I'll have to go back in and tuck that tail in right there. And we are done. There's my waistband. So I'll go ahead and steam that. If you want to top stitch it along there, you can. Now the next step will be to fold my bottoms in 1/2 inch and hem 1/2 inch and hem, and that's it. That was literally 10 minutes, and most of it was me fixing my mistakes. It literally took us 10 minutes to put together the urban legs. That's it. I'm gonna go over there to my machine and hem my legs, and I'm done. That's it. All done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and the quick tutorial to get some awesome urban legs. Once you get yours done, please go ahead and post them on our Facebook or our Instagram. We'd love to see them. If you haven't subscribed to a channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. We'd love to hear from you. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.